Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today our group will present about the effect of digital payment to Malaysia business performance. For the introduction, digital payments are quickly changing how money moves around the world. With more people using e-wallets and online banking, businesses are seeing a big change. So in this report, we will look at how these digital payments methods are affecting business in Malaysia. So we will explore if they help business run more smoother, reach more customers, save money, and compete better in today's market. So by understanding these effects, we can see how Malaysian business are adapting to the new digital way of paying. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter for the next part. Thank you.
And hi, so now I want to talk about a rising issue in digital payments. Okay, so first is cybersecurity risk. Okay, with the increase in digital transaction, the risk of cybercrime also grows. Data breach, fraud, and hacking attacks are concerned for both businesses and consumers. For example, businesses that accept payment via platforms like PayPal, credit card, or digital wallets are often targeted. Data breach or fraud in online transaction can result in significant financial loss. Okay, so this can impact business that do not have strong cybersecurity measures at risk of losing customers' trust, which can damage their reputation and impact profits. So the second rising issue in transaction fees. Okay, so many digital payment service charge businesses transaction fees for every payment made. Okay, so these fees can be a burden, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprise. For example, using a platform like PayPal or credit cards, merchants are charged around 2 until 5 of each transaction. Okay, so this can impact these fees, reduce profit margins, and businesses may need to raise price to cover these costs, which could impact their competitiveness. Thank you.
Alright, moving on will be the theory and applications of digital payment to Malaysia's business performance. So for theory, it simply explains that digital payment systems work by facilitating the exchange of funds between parties electronically. When a payment is initiated, the system securely processes the transaction details via a payment gateway that verifies the payer's identity and validates the transaction. So, in simple terms, digital payment means payment digitally without the use of banknotes And as for applications of digital payments, it includes credit cards, digital wallets, or online banking. Digital payments can be found in stores or online shopping.
RM2.
Carrying cash, that's so 2005. Welcome to the world of e-payment, where you pay using cards, e-wallets, QR codes, or just your phone. Fast, easy, and no more digging coins at the counter. According to the Star 2023, Malaysia made over 10 billion e-payment transactions in 1 year. That's a lot of tap-tap pay. It's safer, quicker, and honestly, super convenient. So if you haven't jumped on the cashless train yet, what are you waiting for? Cash in this economy. Let's talk about why Malaysians, especially young ones, are tapping, scanning, and never looking back. We asked a bunch of peeps aged 18 to 24, mostly from Selangor, about their payment habits. And let's just say it's giving digital life only. What do they use and how often they use it? For the top choice for online banking is Maybank to You Supremacy. And guess what? Most of them use it daily. We love a lawyer icon. Convenience and speed were the top reason. Hygiene too. Because coins are gross. Spending and shopping behavior. But for the plot twist, over half say they spend more now. Digital payments? More like, oops, I tip again. Britney would be proud. E-payment also give a big benefits for business such as smoother transaction, less fraud, and major efficiency. Period. So what do you think? Is Malaysia going fully cashless? Let us know. But first, tap to pay.
Alright. So lastly, here are some suggestions for improvement regarding the rising issue of cybersecurity risks, fraud and scams. Firstly, we need to strengthen our digital infrastructure. We need to implement advanced cybersecurity protocols such as firewalls, encryption, multi-factor authentication. We also need to have a regular security audits and penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities. Secondly, we need to have a public awareness and education system. We need to have a nationwide campaign to educate individuals about phishing, online fraud, and identity theft. We also need to promote digital literacy from school level upwards. And lastly, we need to have a policy and regulatory enhancement. We need to enforce stricter cybercrime laws and faster prosecution. We need to have a data protection regulation that is strengthened and localized. Thank you.
So for the last part is conclusion. So in conclusion, digital payments have a major impact on how business perform in Malaysia. They help companies work more efficiently, cut down on cash handling costs, and connect with more customers by online. Customers also find it easier and quicker to pay. While there can be challenges like setting up new systems or ensuring online security, it's clear that digital payments are vital for business today. As Malaysia become more digital, using these payment methods will be a key for business to grow and succeed to the entire world. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.